Come out with us and play. Love Your London. Have a banana.
As you know, Love Your London has a bit of a soft spot for the Eurovision Song Contest. Last night, 3rd of April 2022, over half of the acts that will be representing their countries at the contest in Turin next May put on a special concert here in London at the Hard Rock Hotel near Marble Arch. We were there, of course, and we're putting together a special episode celebrating this event with loads of interviews and behind-the-scenes footage. But as a teaser, we're going to treat you now to the Spanish representative Chanel, singing SloMo, tipped to be one of the hot favourites. But in the meantime, please subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost you anything to do so, but it really helps our channel. Take it away, Chanel.
From Brixton to beyond. Love Your London. Have a banana.